Here's a video of our 30-ton Hauser hydraulic press, machine number 4068, running on single stroke. You have a rapid advance into pressing, rapid advance to pressing. All your positions are set by the proximity switches. You have a top, slow down, and a bottom. The hole in the bed is currently 8 inches front to back by 11 right to left. We have some of the new valving on. As you can see, here, and here is the new valving. Still waiting on this. We also have safety latch valve on the other side that needs to be replaced. Now we'll run it and we'll build tonnage. We're using the steel positive stops to press against, one in each fork corner. Here we have it set at 20 ton. Here we have it set at 30 ton. Currently wired 460 volts. Allen Bradley PLC. Once again, there's the lube that we need to work on. And there's the air valve for the safety latch that needs to be replaced. Once again, machine number 4068.